Welcome to Crystal Store, where nature and peace meet. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of natural stones and crystals. We'll explore their energy, their purpose, and how they can truly transform the spaces you live in and the way you feel every day. What makes natural stones special? Every stone you see, every crystal you hold, carries something truly unique inside it. These aren't just pretty rocks. They're pieces of the earth that have been forming for millions and millions of years. Deep underground, under intense pressure and heat, minerals come together in specific patterns. This process creates the unique structure and energy signature of each stone. When you hold a piece of amethyst, you're holding something that took longer to form than human civilization has existed. That's powerful when you really think about it. The colors, the patterns, the way light moves through them. All of this comes from their natural composition. No two stones are exactly alike. Each one has its own personality, its own story written in its structure. This is why people throughout history, across every culture and continent, have been drawn to these natural wonders. They recognize something in them that goes beyond their physical beauty. Understanding crystal energy and vibration. Now, let's talk about energy. Everything in the universe vibrates at different frequencies. This isn't mystical, it's physics. Your body vibrates. Your emotions create vibrations. Even your thoughts have an energetic quality to them. Natural stones and crystals also have their own stable, consistent vibrations. This comes from their crystalline structure, the way their atoms are perfectly arranged in repeating patterns. When you bring a crystal into your space or hold it in your hand, something interesting happens. Its stable frequency can influence the energy around it. Think of it like tuning forks. When one tuning fork vibrates near another, the second one starts to resonate at the same frequency. Crystals can work similarly with your own energy field. They don't do the work for you, but they can support and amplify your intentions. They can help bring things back into balance when you're feeling off-center. Different stones vibrate at different frequencies, which is why different crystals are known for supporting different things. A calming stone like blue lace agate has a gentle, soothing vibration. An energizing stone like carnelian has a more active, stimulating frequency. Understanding this helps you choose the right stones for what you need in your life right now. How stones interact with your home and personal space. Your home is more than just walls and furniture. It's an energy container. Everything that happens in your space, conversations, emotions, activities, leaves an energetic imprint. Over time, these energies can build up, and your space might start to feel heavy, stagnant, or just off somehow. This is where natural stones become incredibly valuable tools. Placing crystals strategically around your home can help shift and clear these energies. Black tourmaline near your front door can act like an energetic filter, helping to keep negative vibrations from entering. Selenite on your windowsill can help maintain clarity and light in that room. Clear quartz in your living room can amplify positive interactions and intentions. You're essentially creating energy anchors throughout your space that continuously work to maintain balance. But it's not just about placement. The intention you set matters too. When you consciously choose a stone for a specific purpose and place it with that intention, you're creating a partnership between yourself and that natural tool. You're not just decorating, you're actively shaping the energetic environment you live in every single day. The connection between crystals and emotional well-being. Here's where things get really personal and practical. Many people find that working with crystals helps them manage their emotional state more effectively. If you struggle with anxiety, holding a smooth piece of lepidolite or amethyst during stressful moments can help you feel more grounded. The physical act of holding something solid and natural can itself be calming, but many people report feeling an additional soothing effect from these specific stones. Rose quartz is famous for supporting self-love and emotional healing. When you're going through a difficult time emotionally, having this gentle pink stone nearby can serve as a constant reminder to be kind to yourself. It can help soften the harsh inner critic that so many of us carry. Citrine is known for supporting a positive mindset and motivation. Keeping it on your desk while you work can help you maintain focus and optimism even when tasks feel overwhelming. Grounding, protection, and mental clarity. Let's talk about 3 specific ways crystals can support your daily life. First, grounding. In our modern world, we're constantly pulled in a million directions. Our minds race, we feel scattered, and we lose touch with the present moment. Grounding stones like hematite, smoky quartz, and red jasper help bring your energy back down into your body and into the here and now. They create a feeling of stability and connection to the earth beneath your feet. Protection is another major benefit people seek from crystals. Now, we're not talking about physical protection. These are stones, not shields. But energetic protection is real. If you're sensitive to other people's emotions and energy, if you feel drained after being in crowds, or if you work in stressful environments, protective stones can help. Black obsidian, labradorite, and apache tears create a kind of energetic boundary around you. They help you maintain your own energy without absorbing everyone else's stress and negativity. Why natural stones are more than just beautiful objects? Yes, crystals are stunning. The sparkle of an amethyst geode, the smooth glow of a rose quartz sphere, the mysterious depth of a labradorite flash, they're absolutely beautiful, and there's nothing wrong with appreciating that beauty. But when you understand that they're also functional tools for well-being, they become so much more meaningful in your life. Think of them as reminders. Every time you see that citrine on your desk, it reminds you to stay positive and motivated. Every time you touch that amethyst on your nightstand, it reminds you to wind down and prepare for restful sleep. These physical objects become anchors for your intentions and your daily practices. They help you remember what matters to you and what you're working toward in your personal growth journey. They also connect you to something bigger than yourself. When you hold a stone that's millions of years old, formed deep in the earth through processes you can barely imagine, it puts your daily worries into perspective. It reminds you that you're part of nature, part of this incredible planet, and that there are sources of strength and support all around you if you know where to look. Thank you for starting this journey with us. As we continue this series, we'll dive deeper into specific stones, their unique properties, and exactly how to use them in your daily life. At Crystal Store, we believe in the power of nature to bring peace, balance, and beauty into every moment. We're here to guide you in finding the perfect stones for your personal journey. Stay connected, stay curious, and remember, nature has so much to offer when we take the time to listen. Crystal Store, where nature and peace meet. This content is based on personal research and traditional crystal knowledge. It is not intended as medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult qualified healthcare professionals for any physical or mental health concerns.